Hi everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to buy VWRA on Interactive Brokers step by step. I'll be walking through this on the web client portal. First, head to interactivebrokers.com and log in. Click the login button in the top right corner, then click Portal Login. Enter your username and password, then complete the two-factor authentication. You'll get a code via text or through the ibkr key app. Once you're in, if you need to convert currency to USD, go to the menu and find Convert Currency. You'll see options to select the currency you're converting from and to. Enter the amount, click Submit, and the conversion happens pretty much instantly. VWRA trades in USD on the London Stock Exchange, so you'll need USD in your account to buy it. Next, open the order ticket. Look for Order Ticket or Trade in the top navigation. When it opens, you'll see a search box at the top. Now search for VWRA. Type either VWRA or the ISIN, that's IE00BK5BQT80 into the search box and hit enter. You'll see several options pop up. Stock, futures, options, CFDs, ETFs are listed under stock. You'll also see multiple exchanges listed. Select the correct listing. Look for VWRA on LSE, that's the London Stock Exchange, trading in USD. Make sure it says LSE in USD because the same fund trades under different tickers on other exchanges in different currencies. Once you've found the right one, click the Buy button next to the VWRA LSE listing. The order ticket opens up, showing you the bid-ask spread, your available cash, and quantity fields. Enter how many shares you want to buy in the quantity field. You can toggle between shares and dollars by clicking the drop-down next to the quantity box. If you're buying fractional shares, make sure you have global trade in fractions enabled in your trading permissions first. Now, select your order type. You'll see options for market, limit, stop, or stop limit. For a liquid ETF like VWRA during LSE trading hours, a market order works fine and fills immediately. If you want more control over the price, use a limit order and enter your maximum purchase price. Set the order duration. Click the duration or time and force selector and choose day or GTC. That's good till canceled. Most people just use day. Preview your order. Click the preview button to see the full order, summary bid-ask spread, available cash, estimated commission, and total cost. The commission on the tiered pricing plan is about $1.70 per trade for LSE ETFs. When everything looks good, click Submit or Transmit to execute the trade. You'll get a confirmation email once your order to buy VWRA has gone through. The order also shows up in your transaction history. Finally, check your portfolio section to verify the purchase. You'll see VWRA listed with your number of shares, purchase price, current value, and profit and loss. The commission for LSE trades is around $1.70 on the tiered pricing plan, which is the best option for most retail investors. If you searched by ticker and want to be extra sure you got the right fund, the ISIN is IE00BK5BQT80. LSE trading hours are 1400 to 2230 Singapore time, so plan your trades accordingly. And that's how to buy VWRA on Interactive Brokers. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped.